Okay, alright, you can listen to me, which is probably pretty boring, or you can put on the song Wormwood from the Mo album of the same name and really enjoy the show. If you're compelled to listen to me, this can be found on my fly fishing site, www.texasflycaster.com, along with many other movies, podcasts, and links to all that is fly. Hello, and welcome to another episode of Texas Flycaster. Slowly, I'm being sucked into this whole carp thing. It's hard to imagine anything more skid than taking a concept like fly fishing and introducing it to a giant minnow that vacuums the vast flats of freshwater lakes for a variety of equally low morsels and vegetation. Perhaps once you've had your fill of average bass, average bluegill, average just about everything else available, perhaps the pursuit of fish with the above average senses, strength, and numbers is inevitable. Maybe down low, but inevitable. I hope that doesn't sound as bad as it looks. I give thanks for all fish brought to hand. Take away all your thoughts of cool trout streams, tropical paradises, exotic drinks, guides pulling you to sandy flats of clear salt that are paralleled by the blue skies that meet them. Rocky Mountain streams, clear running lakes, take all that and just put it away. Just like your winter fleece you finally put away last week. Waders, warmers, and all other forms of insulation. This is Texas, North Texas, the place where we have a constant H over us on the map, which roughly translates hole in the atmosphere, where direct rays of the sun heat us like popcorn in a microwave oven. Eventually we must pop, and I'm thinking the result of that pop must be the crazy call to carping. They don't exactly sing the siren song, but they do have some vocal range. It would have taken much longer for me to come around to carp if not for Cult of Carp leader Joel Hays. If you are somewhat a regular reader, you no doubt have heard and maybe have grown tired of all the TFC references to Hays. But if anyone has a better grip on what all the possibilities are for a fly rod in North Texas, feel free to chime in here and now. This new religion has even propagated a new site for Hays at www.dfwflyfishing.com, a site that I've been building for the past few months. It's not a blazing site, but it's not going to be making any history of glitz or glamour, but take a look if you want to get the point. So now on this Memorial Day, I'm fighting the feeling of need to get back to the flats this afternoon and give them another go. It is one of the most interesting pursuits you can want on a local water. The wind conditions have a direct effect on potential locations, the water depth, clarity, and temperature. Then there's actual chase, much like what I can only imagine. The stalking of bonefish on flats where sighting, stealth, presentation, offerings, and stars must all align with the presentation hitting the area about the size of a dinner plate. Here when we go after carp, it's usually at a very short range. Enjoy the video, comments, and suggestions are welcome as always. And if you get a chance, go to www.texasflycaster.com.